Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start shooting immediately. Position yourself, pick a clear subject, and confirm the histogram looks healthy so you avoid blown highlights. Once you have composition, use diagonal lines or the rule of thirds, lock exposure with a quick test shot. Make sure ISO stays as low as practical and choose aperture for the depth of field you need. Stop down for landscapes, open up for portraits. If the scene moves, increase shutter speed. Otherwise, prioritize image quality and steady framing. Once you have base shots, create variations. Bracket exposures by one stop to protect highlights and shadows, and shoot in RAW so you retain maximum data for editing. Make sure to capture close-ups of texture and important details that will anchor your edits later, and use a reflector or fill light to control shadows on faces. Also test white balance presets and take a custom reference to speed color correction. These deliberate extra frames buy you flexibility when you begin editing by adjusting global parameters, exposure, contrast, and white balance to establish a neutral baseline. This improves every subsequent local edit. Once done, apply targeted corrections, use masks for dodging and burning, increase clarity or texture where needed, and selectively tweak color to guide the eye. Make sure to export with sharpening optimized for your output and save a high-quality TIFF for archive. If colors shift unexpectedly, recalibrate your monitor and reapply the white balance reference to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.